Today we will learn how to find the prime factors. Let's read the question. Write the prime factors of 150 using division method. Let's start. 150. We will simply divide 150 by 2 because the last digit is 0. We will divide it by 2. We get 75. Now we will divide 75 by 3. We get 25. Now we will divide 25 by 5. We get 5. Again we will divide 5 by 5. We get 1. So 150 is equal to 2 times 3 times 5 times 5. Therefore, prime factors of 150 2, 3, 5. Over here 2, 5. So we wrote 5. 2, 3 and 5. So the prime factors of 150 is equal to 2, 3 and 5. This is how we find the prime factors using division method. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please like, share and subscribe Math Only Math for more videos. Thank you.